So, may nga pudto sa mga buntag. TJ, so TJ is my new friend. TJE from Davao City. We both finished high school in Davao. So my ID is 19, like college, like 1990. I'm batch 90, man. How old were you then? How old are your parents ba? Okay, so I'm the middle ground. I'm the in between. I'm 50 turning 51. Does your dad ride a bike? So let's talk about you and your bike. How did you get started biking? Which one? The group? Me, Jules? Yo, let's catch it. Yo, it's closed! That was close. Gagi. Lumipad ako dun ah. Sorry guys. You know, we love Ayala most of the time. Godspeed. Ride safe. It's closed. It's ours for the shoot.
Good content.
Yo! Yo! We have a cover! We have a cover!
May cover na. Sarap. Leave that shit.
Si Bathala ang bahala! God is my hagad! Chip, palusot, magandang umaga po. Palusot.com. Owing to my skateboarding. Shee! Wind test. Act like a commuter. Yo, bro! Thank you to Stella Maris. So we're like neighbors, like school neighbors. So malamang Stella rin yung dad mo. Ha? Ha? Born and raised in Mati. You're a Mateño. How are you related to the Rabats? Rabats. I still want a poblacion. Huh? Yo, that's great content. Wala. Yung kaba nawala. Yo, that was a close 40 kph call. Yo! So, please be my eyes. I can see eh. Dude, please be my eyes. I can see sa likod. Okay na? Let's go down, ano? Poblasyon. Yo! Escuela. Is this the one? Escuela. Escuela. Next. Jules. Habhaban. Direct. Next. This one. Yo, we're going down. Going down, Chef Punk. With the Pixie Boys. Yo! Yo, it's closed. My favorite restaurant in the whole goddamn Manila is closed. Let's go, TJ. Let's go, son. Yo! Yo! Hip, hip! Okay, that was fun. Top of the bridge. That's how you hack it, bro. Hip. Hip, hip. Yo, so where's my bro? Hey, so I was saying, rider ako dati. Skyway Davao. Shout out Darius, Dennis, Richard, si Lucas, Skyway Davao crew, BMX. Antod karon naga-ride lang gihapon ko. Way naniguwang dire wala yo-yo. Tony wala. Sorry, Tony's your mom. DJ. Ha! Pua! Sorry. I need to hack to You know? It's like a classic Terry B. Hack to BGC tayo. And then balik. Hip hip! Hip hip! TJ Gun. TJ natokhang. Secret alley. Just waiting. Can't stop the cadence, can't stop. And we won't stop, and we can't stop. Yo! So Chi, dito ka nagtatago. Shout out kay Chi Senyeres. This is called the Chi technique. Muntik na siyang likuan dito. See? You need to make atras-atras. Like a 2-meter easement, whatever. Of course, it's a blind spot, right? It's a blind curve. While we're waiting for your blind friend, I think he lost us somewhere. Saan ang biyahe, boss? Saan ang biyahe? Saan ang pasok? Saan? Saan galing? Bahay. Saan yung bahay? Lapit lang. Bakit nga ba maalat yung mga itlog ng mga taga-Pateros?
May asin eh.
May asin. Yung pala ang sikreto doon, no? Lagyan mo ng asin, aalat yon. Yeah, so got a nice wall here. Ilang taon ka na nagbabike to work, boss? Ito lang, bago lang?
Oo, bago lang.
Nakatipid ba? Mas naging healthy ka ba? Totoo ba yun?
Galing na ako sa school.
Ay, ganon. Kapatid, saludo ko sa'yo. Respect. Yan, may ginagawa sa kanyang kalusugan. Tara, 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 Jules. Bata mo pa, kuya. So we're in Boy G. So am I supposed to, BGC English now? Okay, so I'm putting on my Lujon Poissy, Gempoy with finesse. So we go uptown. Hip, hip. Shout out to my sister-in-law, Ate Raquel. Happy birthday. Your condo is fine, don't worry, we'll take care of it. Then we end up sa bagong luneta ng Pilipinas, ang Uptown Parade. We are in pretty BGC, and it's pretty bourgeoisie because there's X, Y, and Z. Wala na yung silo. Ma'am, go po kami. Sorry po. Kuya. Yo, so up there used to be White Lights BGC skate spot 10 years ago. We were the kings. Saan naman tayo? U-turn or paano tayo babalik? Ha? Babalik tayo. Balik. Sorry. Woo! Sorry, Jules. Sorry. That's why it's called CMX, Cyclocross BMX. Up! Magwa-walling muna ako dito. If you're wondering about the costume, it's Lufing Robredo. I'm going to bomb scare mamaya. So, yun, cosplay contest ng Tak-Tak Longboarding community. I think this is the 15th year. Okay? So before the coffee bikers and the casuals went up to Tak-Tak, we were the kings of Tak-Tak, we were the kings of BGC. I just want to set that right to all the young kids, to all you punks out there. Yo, that used to be our playground. And now we can only do it once a year. Before, every weekend, there's a downhill chill session there. Shout out to my friend Jay Bells, who organizes the bomb scare. This is for Boss Paul. Rest in peace, Boss Paul. He passed away this year. Boss Paul is the one who makes hatak-hatak all the skateboarders in Tak-Tak. Meron siyang tricycle. OG yan si Boss Paul. Shout out sa tropang Tak-Tak. I miss you. Reunion natin mamaya. It's hello longboards again. Yo, so my wife is watching Hello Love again. Wala lang. For me, it's hello longboarding. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Usok, 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 usok. Mukhang sementeryo yung mga bahay dito, pero mga bahay po yan. So we're going down Tambay Cycling Hub. Shout out to Sari Cycling. Quick stop. Sari Cycling is an MRF. It's our startup. Okay, shout out to Bram, winner of Climathon 2019. Yo, every barangay needs an MRF, materials recycling facility. So we're supporting this at work, the Benilde Hub of Innovation for Inclusion. We are a startup incubator for social startups like this. So we can change the world, even with simple things, right? Bram! We're supposed to build a bike parking there na Kawayan. Di lang natuloy. Shout out Mayor Bico. So dito na po tayo sa Pasig Esplanade. Dapat din ako nag-i-English dito. Ayan, so papayag ba tayo tayuan ng LRT sa gitna ng ilog na yan? Kayo pong humusga. Napakapayapa ng ilog ngayon. Imagine with me, 200, 300, 400 years back, may mga buhaya pa dyan. Ngayon, gusto na nilang patayuan. Kakuntsaba ang pamahalaan. Bip bip. Dito po tayo sa Pineda, Barangay Pineda. Andito rin yung Tambay Cycling Hub. So, Kevin, Anika, and my favorite mechanic. Di ba? Hindi ka na makakapag-river tour dito pag may nakatayo dyan. Pwede ka pa rin magpatalon, di ba? Oh. Dami nga lang humps, pero okay na. So far, nakakapit pa rin naman yung aking camera. Payag ba tayo na magiging madilim na yan? Kahit kailan di na naman gumanda yung Taft di ba? I mean, Jules, you ride there every day. Napakadilim ng Taft, di ba? First time I saw Taft, ginagawa pa yan, 1984, project daw ni Imelda. Sayang, ganda-ganda na Taft Avenue dati. 3-lined, American Colonial. This is it, the end of, this is Terminus, we're going up. Left, di ba? Left then right agad. Right. So meron palang final sprint climb dito. Hip! Kabila. Sprint climb. Sprinto. Walang kambyo. Walang kambyo. Kabisado ko na KOM nito. At hindi yun ako. Sorry, man. Yo, this is also the wrong GPS. Hindi kasi natin kasama yung GPS doon eh.
Walk of shame.